welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we have to create reports in PDI. Let's start today's class. Today's class 12th. In class 11th, we have seen UI policy, how to create UI policy, and how to uh, give actions to the fields. I hope everyone has practiced it. Okay, so we'll see today's class on topic is reports. Basically, what is reports? Reports is something we can see the overall results in a graphical representation. Okay, by seeing in graphical representation, it is easy to understand that what all the results have been come. Okay, so the definition goes, basic definition is like this: graphical representation of uh, data in a visualized way. Okay, the backend name of reports is sys underscore report. Sys underscore report. Uh, Underscore, sorry. So let's go to PDI. Sys underscore report dot list. When you click on enter, you will be able to see the reports table. So these are all the reports table which have created. It's 650 records are there in a reports table. Click on new to create a new report table, new report. So you will be able to see a report form. So we'll take incident report one table. Click on incident table, select incident here, click on next. So here there is bars table. Okay, histogram, horizontal bar, Pareto, pies and donuts charts are available here, time series is available. So all the different types of reports you can able to build. Okay, let's see on donut. Click on donut and next. Here this is a donut report has been generated. So here you can do whatever you want, you can configure. Okay, so let's select group by. It has selected active. Let's select category wise. Okay, category wise display on table. So aggregation is there, count, average, sum, count, distinct, maximum and minimum, everything is there in aggregation. Okay, configuration field, you need to say the report to configure. Okay, let's see later. Additional group by, we'll see additional group by will select priority. We'll select priority and we'll select number is number and we'll select state as well as. Okay, click on OK, click on next. Okay, this is what we have selected here. You can see uh, we have selected group by category, priority, number, state, everything is there. Click on priority, you can see the priority wise chart here in donut. You can select number wise. Okay, you can see a incident count, percentage of incidents. Okay, So here priorities are there, how many incident records are there in planning 32, critical is 26, moderate is 12. Okay, in percentage wise also they have given here. Okay, total 81 records are there. Okay, it has been uh, spread over in different priorities. Okay, you can able to see here. Here in configure you can select donut width. Okay, let's make it 20. Chart color is there, use several colors, use color palette, default U14 is available. You can select whichever you want, blues light to dark, blues light to dark, default U14 greens. Let's see how it goes. Chart size medium, drill down decimal position. Okay, and title report only, never always chart title. Okay, we'll give a chart title as incident report. Okay, size of a chart, let's keep 18 pixels. Chart title color, let's give a red color, something like that. Title horizontal alignment, left, right, everything is there. Let it be center only. Okay, let's click on run and we'll see how it looks. Yeah, you can see. Okay, the color has been modified. So this is inquiry help. So this is on category, network category, software category, 14 incident records are there. Okay, so this is how you can build a report over here. Okay, you can save this one, save the report. Incident report one is saved. Okay, you can share also, share, schedule, add to dashboard. Okay, export to PDF, click on add to dashboard. Dashboard, subscription overview, tab, subscription overview, add. Guys, here you can able to see now dashboards. Dashboard of incident report 1. Dashboard is used to visualize the multiple reports, like group of reports. Okay, you can create a number of reports here. These are dashboards. You can try doing this. Okay, you can see everything over here, like allocated, no data display is there. Okay, unmapped application with custom tables 2 is there. Okay, this is how you can create a report and you can generate a dashboard like this. And you can do like this also, guys. You can go for incident table directly, incident dot list. Okay, enter. Okay, once you come to a table, okay, here you can do whatever you want, like you can put a filter, like you want category of, you can put a filter over here. Okay, like you want sorry, not here, so you have to go for filter, navigate, filter here. Okay, select a priority, first select a category. Okay, so category is not hardware, I don't want hardware, rest of them I need. Okay, so after that you have to select priority. The priority should be high for me. Okay, and one more thing, and the caller should be able tutor. I think the spelling is correct. AB, okay, TER, should have able to, okay, the name has been erased. So run this filter. Let's see how many records are there. Oh my god, there is none. There is none. I will delete this record. Okay, this is a breach we are going to do. Okay, I don't want this filter. Okay, the two remains same filter. Okay, let it be same. Um, this is a record. Okay, this I want a report. Okay, this I have to see in a report. Okay, click on right click on three dots. You can see bar chart and pie chart. Okay, click on any one. Directly you will be able to see in platform analytics. Okay, this is another different concept. Okay, this is not necessary, but this is also you can try it once and see how you can able to work on this. Directly you can able to see the result in bar graph. Okay, here here you can add custom conditions also. Okay, you can add whatever you want. Critical, add this source. You can do group by also. Group by priority is there. Click category, click on apply. This group by priority and category. Okay, you can sort also here. Sort by value, sort by element, descending order, ascending order. Okay, so info message presentation, display settings, show data table, chart variation, y-axis and x-axis, legend, data label, show data label, click on checkbox, colors, color palette. You can do whatever you want. Chart interaction. Okay, like this. Try once. Okay. Work on with these reports and dashboards, or with the two method also. You can do it, and you can save here. Save it. Okay, guys. This is all about reports and dashboards about today's session. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.